Welcome to my channel. Now, we are going to talk about the health benefits of almonds. Almonds contains heart-helping nutritional factors. Just 1 ounce of almonds supply 50% of the daily value, DV, for vitamin E, a nutrient long touted for aiding circulation. The same ounce provides 25% of the DV for magnesium, a heart-calming mineral. The spice is also rich in folate, a B vitamin linked to lower levels of heart disease. In plant sterols, natural compounds that have a similar composition to cholesterol helping block its absorption, and in fiber, also linked to lower cholesterol. Below are the immense benefits of almond in details. No1. Prevent cardiovascular disease and heart attacks. Almonds contain lots of minerals, such as magnesium, calcium, potassium, copper, manganese, and arginine, which are all important for your heart. These substances support the cardiovascular function. Studies have shown that almonds can reduce the amount of LDL cholesterol, which is bad for your health. Number 2. Maintain a healthy brain function. Almonds are one of the most appreciated brain foods due to their high content in riboflavin and L-carnitine. These two substances prevent cognitive decline and support healthy neurological activity, reducing the inflammatory processes in the brain. Number 3. Improve the skin health. Almonds are a great source of vitamin E and antioxidants, which fight cancers, free radicals, and reduce inflammation, preserving your skin healthy and young. Number 4. Prevent diabetes. Almonds are rich in monounsaturated fatty acids, which have a very important function in the body, as they balance the amount of glucose in your blood and control the way it is being absorbed and used by the body. This means almonds can help you control your blood sugar levels and your diabetes. Number 5. Prevent weight gain and overeating. Almonds contain high amounts of fats and fibers, which promote weight loss. Eating almonds helps you control your cravings and prevents overeating, as they make you feel full faster than other foods. Number 6. Increase the nutrient absorption. The world is obsessed to lose fat, but fat actually has a number of important functions in our body. One of these functions is helping with fat-soluble vitamins absorption. Luckily, almonds contain enough fat to promote this function and the absorption of vitamins A and D, which are fat-soluble. Number 7. Ensure digestive system's health. Almond skin contains probiotic compounds which support the health of the digestive system. Your digestive system has a number of good bacteria which helps it digest food and turn it into nutritional elements. Number 8. Promote a healthy bones. Being packed with minerals, almonds promote a healthy bones. It contains magnesium, calcium, and phosphorus, which are essential for strong, healthy bones and teeth. Thanks for watching. For prompt update and more videos on health and wellness, like and subscribe to my channel.